girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Baby, you're the best.
So damn important. Everything you do shows me you know it. Behind it all, you are the motive. Don't tell you enough, but baby, I'll show it, show it. These ain't the king where we come from. Tell you I'm queen, so no one. So baby, I'm driving like it's stolen. I'ma fix it like it's broken. We can catch a flight in London. So they can try to catch up to us, but they're too busy making us something. Boy, you know all I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. All I do is drive myself crazy.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's a Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for LUVME hair, and today we have a bob. And today you guys, I'm reviewing a bob. This bob is completely pre-styled, which I love. This is one of those pre-everything units where you literally don't have to do anything when it comes to installing this unit. It's pretty much ready to wear right out of the bag. And the great thing about it is that it is beginner friendly and it's also a time saver. I did go ahead and add some baby hairs in this unit, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. You can go completely glueless, you can go baby baby hair free, and that's the great thing about this unit. This is a 5x5 closure wig, by the way, and this unit did come pre-plucked. As you guys can see, it looks so natural. We love how natural it looks, especially this part here, this curved part that they already have in here. I love it because I didn't even need to add like any concealer or anything for the part. The part is just perfection already, so I love that. And it's giving scalp. You don't see like all of the lace, and you don't see all of the, you know, knots or anything like that, because this unit is pre-bleached as well, so you don't have to worry about bleaching the knots in this unit, over bleaching the knots in this unit, and then trying to fix it. So the lace stops like back here, and I like the fact that even though I shifted the unit, it's not like making my ears stick out and being like super uncomfortable. So I like the fact that it's not uncomfortable to wear, and I love the fit to this unit. It is so perfect. When I get a unit that fits me to the T, it's just something I can truly appreciate. So this unit comes with 2 straps. So you get the first strap, it's an elastic band, and it's gonna come inside of your packaging. It's not hooked onto the unit when you unbox it, so just make sure you don't accidentally throw that away or think that it's a melting band, because that is the elastic band that you hook in, and I did show you guys how to hook it in. And then also you have these straps in the very back as well, and it just fits so comfortable. The unit is not like loose in the back. I don't have like a huge gap or anything. It just fits so snug, which is what allows you to have a glueless install. So if you're somebody who doesn't want to use like Got To Be Glued or lace front gel or hairspray or something like that, you don't have to, because this unit just fits so perfect, and the lace blends just off top. So as soon as you put the unit on, like over here, none of this is glued down, and you guys see how good it looks. So I definitely can appreciate that. And the fact that this is a closure but it's giving frontal vibes is even more of a reason why I love this unit, because you know, you save your money instead of getting a frontal, and you just get exactly what it is that you would want from a frontal, but this is a closure. And I did like bring the part over a little bit more in the front, just so like when I was doing my baby hairs, it just made sense. And I like the fact that you don't see anything over here. Like you don't see the fact that like the tracks in here or here. It just looks like a regular bob, like any other bob would look. So I love that. It looks like how a frontal bob would look, even though it's a closure bob. So we love that. You get a ton of parting space. This is really just one of those no-brainer units. And I like the fact that it's curly, but it's not like too overwhelming. It's not too big. I mean, you can obviously fluff it out a little. You can obviously fluff this out a little bit more, like with a pick or something like that. You can definitely do that, but I don't like my hair like too wild and crazy. And then like you guys saw, this unit looks really pretty while it's wet, and it looks good in its dry state as well. So definitely had to show you guys that. And then I just love the color. It's very subtle, and this unit is 150% density, so I like the density for it too. For this to be 150% density, I will say that this is pretty decent. And this unit is currently in a 14-inch, and when they reference the inches, they always go by the stretch length. So even though this looks pretty short, this is the 14-inch. They also have a 12-inch as well, but I don't know, maybe they sent me the 12-inch, because I don't know if this is 14 inches. This might be the 12-inch that they sent me, but either way, this unit is super affordable. The 12-inch is $110, and then the 14-inch is like $132. So this is a really good unit for a really decent price, especially for like the packaging and everything that you get. Like I love the packaging. It just gives you a very luxurious experience. It just gives like a very luxurious vibe. It had the beautiful bow on it. Everything was well packaged, and I really can appreciate some good packaging. They didn't just get like a silk bag and put the unit in there with a bunch of like random goodies. Everything was packaged up so nice. I even love like these little bags, and like how you have to like rip it. It's also branded. Like the packaging is just super bomb. This is what the band came in, and you see how it says like band right here. Like they just did their big one with the packaging. I love that. And the fit is great. The quality of this hair is amazing. The price is perfect. Like it's a win-win-win all across the board, honestly. And the fact that you can flat iron this hair and then it will go right back curly is even better. so we love that as well. But yeah, this is the unit. I also like the fact that what you see online is what you get in person, so it's not like a catfish wig. You get exactly what you see online, and that when I see stuff like that, it makes me want to like see like what else they have available on the website, because a lot of companies, they just steal people's pictures. Like, let's be real, they take random pictures from Instagram or from Amazon reviews, and then they put it like as if that's the wig that they're selling, and it's not. So I love when a company just like shows you exactly what you're getting, you know what you're ordering, there's no surprises when you unbox your unit. And this is just a beautiful unit, you guys. So if you want to get your hand on this unit from LUVME Hair, I will have a direct link for this unit down below in the description box, along with all of the details. If there's something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a shout out to LUVME Hair for sponsoring today's video, and of course I have to thank all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of the beautiful people in my next one. Bye.